Evergreen Hospital in Kirkland has handled every deadly case of the coronavirus. Tonight, for the first time, the hospital CEO is addressing concerns. And KIRO 7's Jessica O is live right now at Evergreen Hospital. Jessica, the CDC is there right now.
Monique, and we know that they are trying to come up with some coronavirus plan for hospitals across the country, and they're doing that by turning to the hospital that's seen the highest number of cases. Now, we know that Evergreen Hospital really is in a unique position, and the CEO helped explain why.
We've had 11 deaths. There are a number of other very ill people within the hospital.
No other hospital in the country is dealing with coronavirus on the scale that Evergreen Hospital is. Tonight, CEO Jeff Tomlin addressed Washington's outbreak for the first time.
But every one of these numbers has families behind them. We've been with the families as they've gone through this.
And he says the only reason the hospital's seeing so many cases has everything to do with its proximity to the Life Care Center of Kirkland.
It just so happened that the virus outbreak was in a skilled nursing facility very close to us, and so the natural place for them to go was to us.
But the state's nurses union says the hospital didn't tell them about the risk to employees. Patients' families told us they're worried too about the hospital not giving them information. We asked Tomlin about that.
And no matter how hard you try to do it, some people don't read their emails, and then we get concerns about, I don't know, I have enough information, but we've really done our best to over-communicate.
He says the hospital's doing things like reversing airflow and making sure nurses wear protective gear. And we're told the CDC is taking notes so they can come up with a coronavirus plan for hospitals around the country.
What are the protocols for testing, and what are the protocols for isolation, and what kind of equipment do you wear for this and that? We're the first in America really hit like this, that there hasn't been a lot of us experience in the U.S. in terms of how to deal with it. So that's what makes it different, because usually we're learning from everybody else.
And one question that we keep hearing from viewers is whether or not there's a risk of getting coronavirus if they come to the hospital. The CEO says the risk is just as high as getting the flu. Still, he is very much encouraging people to take the right precautions. Reporting live in Kirkland tonight, I'm Jessica O, KIRO 7 News.